Few people cook chicken this way, a recipe from a German chef. Let's start preparing our chicken thighs and drumsticks. For that, make a few shallow cuts on the surface of 3 thighs and drumsticks. These cuts help the seasoning penetrate better, making the chicken even tastier. Next, season with a pinch of salt, black pepper to taste, 1 crushed garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. With your hands, massage the chicken to evenly spread the seasoning. This step makes all the difference to ensure flavor in every bite. Now turn the thighs and drumsticks and repeat the seasoning process on the other side. Stay until the end to see how this amazing recipe turns out. With the chicken seasoned, it's time to move to the skillet. Add a drizzle of olive oil and 20 grams of butter. When the butter is melted and hot, place the chicken in the skillet. Let it fry until golden brown, flipping it so both sides are equally beautiful and juicy. Tell me where you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out in the next video. While the chicken browns, let's prepare the side dishes, starting by slicing an onion into thin slices. If you're watching up to here, it means you're enjoying the recipe, so don't forget to share it with your friends and family. After the chicken is golden, add the onion to the skillet. Now dice 2 tomatoes. These will add juiciness and a slightly sweet touch to the recipe. Tell me if you like chicken. This recipe is perfect for a family dinner or even with friends. I'm sure you've never seen a recipe like this. Besides being super easy to make, it's incredibly delicious and flavorful. Here, I'll transfer the tomatoes to the skillet. Season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of dried or fresh basil. While the ingredients cook, prepare a special mixture. In a bowl, break 3 whole eggs and add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Beat the eggs well until smooth. Now chop some fresh parsley, which will add color and freshness to the recipe. With the chicken and vegetables well cooked, pour the beaten egg mixture over everything in the skillet. Spread the eggs so they evenly cover the chicken and vegetables. Finish by sprinkling the chopped parsley on top. Now just transfer it to a nice plate, serve, and enjoy this mouth-watering recipe. Thank you so much for watching until now. See you in the next video with more delicious recipes. Bon appétit!